Welcome to your new home. At Hayden Homes, we understand the importance of not just building houses, but building homes that stand the test of time. That is why our team is here to ensure your peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty coverage. This video explains your home warranty and offers homeowner maintenance tips and suggestions. Our 1-year warranty is effective from your closing date and is designed to protect you and your investment, covering a range of items that may arise in your first year of home ownership. Here are some of the items that are covered within the 1-year warranty. Structural items, plumbing, HVAC, and electrical systems are covered under the warranty. This means that if you encounter any issues with these essential components of your home within the warranty period, we've got you covered. Simply jump onto our website at any time and submit a warranty request. A dedicated Hayden Homes representative will reach out to you directly to address your concerns. Appliances are covered directly through GE. Simply scan the QR code on the appliance and schedule repair service within minutes. Additionally, most all products throughout your home, including flooring, windows, and roofing, just to name a few, come with an extended manufacturer's warranty. More information and links to those products can be found on our website. Drywall cracks, nail pops, and floor squeaks are considered normal and can be expected. While these items are typically not covered by our warranty, we will visit the home one time during the warranty period to address these items. Please take note as these items come up throughout the year, and reach out to us by submitting a request online around the 11th month of your home warranty. Now let's discuss what's not covered under our warranty. While we strive to provide comprehensive coverage, there are some items that fall outside of the warranty. Cosmetic items not noted prior to closing, such as paint touch-ups, wall dings, flooring tears and scratches, countertop scratches, and appliance damage, to name a few. Homeowner maintenance items such as caulking, furnace filters, and cold weather home protection. And some other exterior items, such as landscaping, concrete, including concrete cracks, pitting, scaling, and other cosmetic defects, and ponding of water, are not covered under our warranty. But don't worry. There are steps you can take to protect these items and your home overall to ensure its longevity. Here are some helpful maintenance tips to keep your home in excellent condition. 1. Regularly inspect and replace cracked silicone caulking around countertop backsplashes, sinks, tubs, and showers to help prevent water damage. 2. Change HVAC filters at least once a month to ensure optimal performance and air quality. If filters become clogged, your HVAC system may shut down. 3. Adjust sprinkler settings seasonally to avoid over and under watering. 4. Keep gutters clean and clear of debris to prevent backups. 5. Seal your concrete to help protect against weather-related damage. Please note, salts and chemical de-icers should never be used. 6. Blow out your sprinklers in the late fall to help protect your system from freezing in the winter months. 7. Remove snow from your roof to help prevent ice dams. And finally, 8. Protect your home during cold weather by covering foundation vents with styrofoam blocks, disconnecting hoses from hose bibs, protecting hose bibs with insulated blocks, and in extreme cold weather, leaving faucets dripping and cabinet doors open to prevent water lines from freezing. Also, check out our website for how-to videos and seasonal checklists, and subscribe to our Blue Thread newsletter for more helpful information. At Hayden Homes, we're committed to not only building your dream home, but also ensuring that you have an exceptional experience along the way. Remember, if you ever have any questions or concerns about your warranty coverage or home maintenance, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Thank you for choosing Hayden Homes to build your new home. We are honored to work with you, and it is our pleasure to serve you.